In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to play Skyrim with a keyboard and mouse on Xbox and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, by connecting a keyboard and mouse combo to any of the available USB ports on your Xbox, you will be able to use it alongside many games. All that you have to do, like I mentioned, is to connect it, and as long as the keyboard and mouse are detected properly through the console, you will be able to open a variety of games and they will work natively. Now, what about Skyrim? If you try to connect any sort of keyboard and mouse combo and you try doing actions in-game, what you will notice is that regardless of what you do, nothing is going to work. Your mouse will not be able to browse through the menus, it isn't going to move the camera, and your keyboard will not be able to do any inputs, either on the menus or when you get inside of a save. So as it stands today, is it truly impossible? Is there no support for Skyrim with keyboard and mouse on Xbox or even a PlayStation? Or do we have to do some sort of workaround? Well, sadly, the answer to the question in the title of this video is that as of today, Skyrim does not feature any sort of keyboard and mouse support on any console. So PlayStation or Xbox, you will not be able to use the keyboard and mouse. This implementation must be done on a game per game basis, meaning that when they ported over Skyrim to the PlayStation 4 or Xbox, any Xbox console, they had to implement the support, and because the developers did not bother with implementing keyboard and mouse support, it is currently impossible. You will only be able to play using a controller. The only option that you have would be to purchase some sort of adapter. Cheap adapters might work, but you can get an expensive one which will allow you to map out each individual button, but of course this will have a cost associated with the adapter, and sometimes they might straight up refuse to work. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but let people be aware that Skyrim on any console does not feature keyboard and mouse support, and some things to consider if you really want to play using a keyboard and mouse exclusively. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching!